Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. The US Securities and Exchange Commission delayed its decision on spot Ether exchange traded funds or ETFs several times in the past. As the fresh deadline approaches near, the industry experts are weighing the potential uptake of such a fund. Some say investing in an Ether ETF would not make sense as such funds won't likely allow staking reward distribution. Investors, they argue, would thus be better off buying and staking their own Ether. However, VanEck, the global investment firm whose Bitcoin trust is among the 10 spot Bitcoin ETFs that became available earlier this year, thinks an Ether ETF could attract huge demand. From a market perspective, part of me believes that the market size for a spot ETH ETF is potentially as big, if not bigger, than the spot Bitcoin ETFs, said VanEck portfolio manager Pranav Kanade. Well, that would be a tall task given the more than $10 billion of net inflows into the spot BTC products in only about 2 months of availability. As the Ethereum uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, holders of Ether can earn yield by staking or putting their tokens to work on the blockchain. On Coinbase, for instance, ETH stakers can earn about 3% yield. Still, the odds of SEC approval of spot ETH products are far from assured. Analysts at Bloomberg recently lowered the chances of a regulatory green light, even without the staking aspect, to just 30%. For his part, Kanade places the odds at more likely 50%. VanEck, which has over 68 ETFs under its umbrella, earlier this week temporarily cut the management fee on its Bitcoin trust from 0.2% to 0%. The 0% remains in place until March 2025, or the fund gets up to $1.5 billion in assets under management. In the roughly 2 months from launch until the fee trimming this week, HODL had attracted about 4,300 Bitcoin and just shy of $300 million in AUM. In the handful of days since, the fund has ballooned to more than 7,200 Bitcoin and $527 million in AUM. Currently, only about 1% of firm's AUM is in crypto, but VanEck CEO Jan VanEck would like that number to be much larger, according to Kanade. Jan's aspiration is to have crypto be 15% of the AUM base one day in the future, he said, sooner rather than later. That's all in this story. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.